Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple watermelon in Maya, and then I am going to paint the texture in Maya only, paint the 3D paint texture in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our watermelon model and texture in Maya. I have 3D painted it. So hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.